Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this super cute white blinged out set. So if you're interested how I did it, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'm starting off with my extra long coffin tips, and you can use any white polish that you have. This one is a gel polish and it's from the brand Tamaka. I got it off of Amazon and they come into like I think it was like 22 in a pack, but this is just of course the white one, which is 001, and I'm gonna apply on 2 coats and cure my lamp for 60 seconds after each coat. So I'm taking my crystals. These are listed as like AB clear crystals because they're like I don't even know what you call these, like iridescent type crystals. But I got them off of AliExpress, and those are gonna be the crystals for the accent nails. What you guys see me doing here is applying on top coat. Don't do what I did, you guys, because I put on top coat before I knew exactly what I was doing with the nails. But I usually put top coat on and then I put the gel for my crystals, but I actually learned that you can put the gel first and put top coat on top. So that's why I did that. But I'm also taking this, I'm not sure what it's called, but it's kind of like a metallic tape, I guess. But this is just a silver tape, and I'm just gonna take a piece and just kind of line it across the nail. So I want this one to go vertical and then have just a horizontal right on the top. So moving on to my index finger, I'm going to add some bling around the base, so like where the cuticle is. So I'm just taking my UV like glue adhesive and I'm putting it around the bottom of the nail, and then I'm just going to pick up some crystals. These are the biggest size of the circular crystals, and I'm just going to apply them around the base and then cure the nail. But cure the nail with all the nails at the same time, so that way you don't gotta cure each nail individually. And this is what we're looking like so far. So we're gonna move on to the middle finger. And I'm taking that same UV gel glue and these kind of like teardrop shaped crystals, and I'm going to be putting them on the nails kind of in the shape that you see in the corner there. It kind of looks like a flower. I don't know, I'm not entirely sure if I ended up liking it or not, but I guess it's cute. I don't know. Honestly, that's the thing with nails, is you can just kind of play around and it's still fun and artistic and creative. So play around with your gems. Don't be afraid to just do whatever design pops in your head. So this is the design that popped in my head. So basically I'm just dipping them in the glue and then sticking them on. The issue though is that one side is like flat and the other side is like pointed, but the pointed side isn't like the pretty side. So I had to put the pointed side down and just kind of like tilt them. So just put a little extra glue. If you have pointed gems, that's what I had to do to kind of make them stick a little bit better. But just do that and then cure them in your lamp, of course. And we gonna ice out the ring finger. So go ahead and take your gem glue, and I'm taking the circular crystals, but these ones are still pointed back, so they're gonna have like a little bit of a spiky on the nail, and just go ahead and pick them up. I like to use the bigger ones because they take up more space and the smaller ones as like gap fillers, but just go ahead and bling out the whole nail. And you can also, of course, use the other shape of crystals and then use these as gap fillers too. And then for the pinky nail, I'm going back to that metallic tape, and then I am just going to put two horizontal lines right at the tip of the nail. And that's what the set is looking like, you guys. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up. If you guys would wear this set, comment down below and let me know. And make sure you guys subscribe. We're almost at 100 subscribers, so go ahead and hit subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.